Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to online classes. In the previous class, we discussed lines and angles. In this, we discussed, so what are the different types of lines? That is line, line segment and ray. And also we discussed about angles. So what is meant by angle and different types of angles. So in this lesson, we have discussed complementary angles. What are complementary angles? In the previous class, we discussed complementary angles. What are complementary angles? The sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then the angles are called complementary. Suppose if we add two angles, if the sum is equal to 90 degree, then they are called as supplementary angles. So today let us discuss about complementary angles. So today let us discuss about supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. So what are supplementary angles? If you take the examples, angle POQ, angle POQ. Suppose if you take this example, angle POQ is equal to 60 degree, then angle ABC is equal to 120 degree. If you add these two, angle POQ plus angle ABC, so that is 60 degree plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. So these types of angles are called supplementary angles. That means the sum of the two angles are equal to 180 degree. Listen, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ angle POQ 60 degree ಇದೆ, angle ABC 120 degree ಇದೆ. So you add the sum 180 degree equal ಆದರೆ then they are said to be supplementary angles. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು angles ನ those two angles are called supplementary angles. Then how can you define supplementary angles? Means when the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree instead of 90 degree. So complementary angles andre sum 90 degree irtade. So illi sum of two angles are equal to 180 degree irtade. So 180 degree, the angles are called supplementary. The angles are called supplementary. Understood? Okay, take down. So this is the definition for supplementary angles, and so you will understand later in the exercise itself. Okay, so first let us discuss the concepts. So what are complementary angles and what are supplementary angles? Okay, understand? Complementary angles means sum of the two angles are equal to 90 degree, supplementary 180 degree. That's all. That is the difference between those two. Okay, understand? Take down. And also, so in your text, so here it is, so many examples are given. Listen, so try this. So which pair of the following angles are complementary? So listen, so which pair of following angles are complementary? So you have to try. Okay, then like that, so for supplementary, so listen, here so many examples are there. So let us add these two, 110 plus 50, you will get 160. These two are not at all supplementary. Suppose if we add the two angles, if we get 180 degree, then we can call those two angles are supplementary. Listen, so 105, 65. So 105, 65, it is nothing but 170. So these two are not supplementary. Then 130 plus 50. These two are supplementary because 130 plus 50 means 180 degree. Understand? So you will have so many examples like this. And also in our day-to-day life also we are having so many examples. Okay. So 45 plus 45, 90. These two are not at all supplementary, but these two are complementary angles. Okay. Understand? Then Next. So let us pass on to the next type of angles, that is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. So what are adjacent angles? What are adjacent angles? So adjacent angles means, so let us see. Suppose if you take A, O, B. So let us take one more angle, that is C. Angle AOC and angle BOC. These two are adjacent. Adjacent means pakkad konagalu anta ashtene. So akka pakkad konagalu. Okay. Angle AOC and angle BOC. Angle AOC and angle BOC. These two are adjacent angles. So let us correct as angle 1 and angle 2. Angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Understand? So these two are called adjacent angles. So why they are called adjacent angles? Then how can you define adjacent angles? Listen. Here these two angles are having common vertices, that is O. So this vertices O refers for angle AOC and as well as angle BOC. So they have a common vertex. And one more qualities. What is that one more quality? So they have a common arm. So common arm. Common arm means ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೇಮ್ ಉಭಯ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ OC ಲೈನ್ ಏನಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ OC refers both angle AOC and angle BOC. Understand? So these are all the qualities for adjacent angles. These are all the properties for adjacent angles. Adjacent angles ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? Common vertices ಇರಬೇಕು. Then common line. So this OC refers both angle AOC and as well as angle BOC. Understand? Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ OC ಈ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay. Such pairs of angles are called adjacent angles. And one more property, that is the non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. Non-common arms. So these non-common arms. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ AO ಇದು non-common. AO separate ಐತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ BO separate ಐತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಂತೂ ನೋಡಿ ಚಿತ್ರ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಐದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆರ್ಮ್. ಈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ನ ಎರಡೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಚ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ adjacent angles have a common vertex and a common arm but no common interior points. So how do you define adjacent means? Adjacent angles have a common vertex and common arm but no common interior points. Okay, understand? So this is the statement. Okay. So here it is, so many examples are there given in your textbook. Listen. So these are all common. Okay. So this is non-common arm on either side of the common arm. Okay, understand? So there are so many examples are there. So this is also adjacent angles, but this is not at all adjacent angles because it is not at all having common side. They are common arm. Okay, understand? And also here it is given so many examples. Look at the figures and verify yourself, judge yourself which are the adjacent angles and which are not. Okay, understood? Okay, take down. So next category in angles means that is linear pair. Linear pair. So what is meant by linear pair? So till now we discussed complementary angles, supplementary angles and adjacent angles. So linear pairs means, so this also refers, or this also similar to adjacent angles. So how do you define linear pair? Means a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Non-common sides are opposite rays. Okay, understand? So take down. So first we have to take this one. So linear pair means, so let me see. So I will write one figure. So let us see. So this is one line and this is one more line. So angle AOB. So this is C. Okay. So let us see. Just you consider. So this is 120 degree and this is 60 degree. Approximately. Okay. Suppose angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. So then those two angles, angle AOC and angle BOC are linear pair. Understand? Listen. So you know very well these two are adjacent angles, isn't it? So these two are adjacent angles, and sum of the adjacent angles are equal to 180 degree. Then those two angles are called linear pair. So a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Then how do you define this one? So a linear pair, so listen, a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles. Is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. So this is very important. Opposite rays. Understand? Okay, listen. So this is non-common rays or opposite rays. A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides, these are all non-common sides, isn't it? OA and OB, these are all non-common sides, but OC is common for both the sides or both the arms. So here it is given, a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. So this is the phenomenon, or this is the definition. But in simple or in general, we can conclude that if the sum of the two adjacent angles are equal to 180 degree, then those two angles are called linear pair. Understand? So easyagi ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು. ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ರೇಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ರೇಸ್ ಅದೇ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಸಮ್ಮು 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ. ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಾರ್ದವು ಸಹ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆ್ಯಮ್ಸು ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ರೇಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೋಡಿ OA OB, so opposite rays, non-common arms. OC is common arm. Okay, understand? So this is the definition for linear pair. Okay, take down. Okay, then here it is given so many examples in your text. Listen. So let me see. So the first figure, so this is linear pair. This is not linear pair because here the non-common sides are not in opposite rays. The non-common sides are not in opposite rays. So here, listen. So this is, and also if you add these two, angles, you won't get 180 degree. Isn't it? So this is the second phenomenon. Second clue ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ದೇ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಅವು ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ 140 + 40 180. Here it is 90 + 60. 90 + 60 150. These two are not at all. ಚಿತ್ರ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. These two are not linear pair. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಲ್ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ 115 65 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 150ಗೆ 115ಗೆ 65 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದ್ದಾವೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ರೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ನ ಬುಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. So next one, that is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So this is vertically opposite angles, that is VOA. In short form, it can be called as VOA, vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? Let us see. So AB is a line and CD one more line. If you intersect these two lines, when AB intersects CD, you will get vertically opposite angles. Means, listen, angle AOD, so let me call this as OD, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. And also, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So these two are called as vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Understand? That means when two lines intersect, the angles so formed are called vertically opposite angles. That means, how do you define these? When two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. Understand? ನೋಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಅವು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ದ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಅವೆರಡು ಒನ್ ಅಂತ ಸೇಮ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಲು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕತ್ತರಿ ಕೋನಗಳು ಅಂತ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಕೈನಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕತ್ತರಿ ಕೋನಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೀಗ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 5.1 ಹೋಗೋಣ. So this 5.1 is based on different types of angles. So till now we have discussed complementary angles, supplementary angles and adjacent angles, linear pair and vertically opposite angles. Understood? Okay? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ನಾವು 5 types of angles ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೀಗ ಆ 5 types of angles ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು 2-3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ ನಂತರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ದೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಒಂದು 2-3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.